Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. And today we have another CSS trick for our Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. We're taking the multi-column layout we built yesterday and giving it a new look using the property column rule. This property lets us add a visual line between the columns like you could see in the newspaper for example, but more importantly it brings more clarity to the text. Let's jump into bricks. So here is where we left off yesterday and we have our block with two columns, but now let's try to define them more clearly. We're going to go to the element we try to target, so it's the same as yesterday, it's our basic text. We go into the style tab and then you go to the CSS section and here we have the same code as yesterday. Right after the column gap, you can see here I have a variable. Yesterday we had a 3rem. We're going to add column rule. The column rule property is a shorthand, and just like the standard border property, it lets us define the width, the style, and the color all at once. So we're just going to add a solo light gray line column rule, and we're going to put here 1 pixel. Okay, we're going to have a solid line, and we want it light gray, so here we go. And just like that, we can see that we have here our separator. Now, of course, you can play with the style. You can, of course, make it thicker. So let's say 3 pixels, for example. Instead of having a solid line, we could have a dashed line. Any decoration that is proper to the border property is here exactly the same. So this allows you to style the separator to match your site's color or style. For the responsiveness, it's automatic and will automatically disappear when your column collapses to 1 on mobile. So let's just see this. We have our line, and as you can see on mobile, it automatically disappears. Pretty cool, right? And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join, and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys!